I went down New Jersey and picked up and came up this way and woke up to this beautiful weather. I was at a rest area all night and I should have just stayed there. Call me a super trucker, whatever you want. I knew the snow was going to be bad just by looking outside, but I didn't know how the roads were. And it's not the roads that are affecting me right now because I'm not worried about the freezing. We're spraying, and it's not, slippery or slushy. It's the complete snow squalls that we're having, and the fact that everybody's bunching up. That's what I have issues with. We're only 31 miles away from the customer, and that rest area, that was the last rest area, and the last truck stop before the customer. I might have to try to find one soon. Now, the plow trucks were out, and they got off the road, so that kind of gives me an idea that we should not be on this road. My Jake brake setting is at 1, and I keep applying a little bit of pressure to the brakes, so that way they stay warm. You got people like that guy over in the right lane that decides he's going to fly up, try to beat everybody, but that's what causes pileups. I have my floor rails on right now. Everybody's slowed down. Like, I've been doing 48 miles an hour this whole entire time on a 65 mile an hour highway when everybody else is flying by. But I'd rather get there safe than not get there at all. And like I said, it's not really the roads. I mean, you can see the roads stalling out where there might be some black ice, but it's the snow squalls. It's the fact that it's white out right now. That's what I have issues with. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my wiper blades are completely snow covered. Everything's just snow covered. It's coming down so fast, and there's no pull-offs either. Like, I'm in this, I left the rest area, now I'm in this until I can get somewhere safe. Everybody's braking and slowing down. Alright guys, so we're currently in Hartford, Connecticut. We're still 23 miles away from the customer. We're currently doing 33 miles per hour in a 50 mile an hour zone. We're just, everybody's just trying to make it safe. We're not trying to rush it. 91 north is okay. There's some spots when I came in Hartford that it was getting really slushy and pretty well snow covered. but as you can tell, everybody's just going pretty much the same speed limit, except for some of these truck drivers out there. I don't know what's up with them. Sometimes, I don't know, people decide to go flying by us. It's stupid. If you see other people doing a certain speed limit, there's no need to be flying on these roads. I mean, the roads are fine, as you can tell, they're wet, but it's also 30 degrees out. You don't know if there's black ice. I mean, it literally just rained all day yesterday. So you don't know if there's going to be black ice. You don't know if it's going to be slippery underneath. But yeah, we're moving along a little bit. Staying on 91. 91's going to be the main road that's going to be touched and salted, and not have to really worry about it too much. It's going to be the side roads whenever we get down to Enfield that I'm going to have to worry about, because they're not going to worry about the side roads until later. So once we get down to Enfield, if it gets too bad to where I can't get back into the customer and I don't feel it's going to be safe enough to get to the customer, I'm going to probably shut her down and park it at the mall where I parked yesterday? Last night? Or no, the night before I parked there. The police didn't have any issues with it. Neither did the company. They said people park there all the time as long as we're not destroying the property or causing disturbances. Now, right here, it's starting to get slushy, and you can tell, you can see the whiteout, you know what I mean? I see 4 ways up ahead. I don't know what it's about. It looks like he's off to the right, but I can't see 6 cars or 7 cars in front of us. So I'm just maintaining my speed, taking my time. Make sure I keep those brakes warmed up as well, because if we gotta go down a steep hill or something, I don't want to be having to deal with ice on my brakes, or my brakes freezing up. I see another truck with his 4 ways on. He looks like he's off to the shoulder. Oh, he's in our lane. I don't know if he's trying to climb this hill or... These roads are getting really, really dicey right now. I mean, they're still wet, you know what I mean? You can still see people spraying and everything, but it's getting slushy. HOV lane's not even touched. Yeah, that truck was just climbing the hill. I'm going to get back over in the right lane. There's a truck behind me that wants to get up this hill. Now, up on these hills, this is where you got to worry about the roads getting completely covered in complete shit, so to speak. Because up on the mountains and stuff, that's where it gets the worst. Down truck right there. Make it over and just leave some space. You see the roadside truck with it. Blinding the shit out of me. Now these bridges, so you can tell the bridges are getting bad too. It seems like the further I go, the worse the roads are getting. And like I said, that rest area is the last rest area, and the nearest truck stop's in Chicopee, Massachusetts. So it just all depends on if I want to drive all the way to Chicopee and shut it down, or should I just suck it up and get to the customer. My mind is telling me that I need to get this load dropped off. I'm only 9,000 pounds, you guys. load's only 9,000 pounds. So I'm pretty light. And it doesn't do me well if it gets too bad. It's saying warning, forward radar blocked. That's that radar that is in front of me that calculates the vehicles in front of me. It's blocked by snow and ice. It can't calculate the other speeds of the other cars. So here you can see we're in Enfield. Roads are alright. The roads that I'm actually worried about is the ones backed by the customer. Those are actually residential side roads that lead to the customer. But from this road, it looks decent for now. A little slushy, but it's definitely wet. You can see all the wetness. You can see the tire marks in the slush. So it's a little half and half right now. I ain't gonna go flying on it, but I ain't gonna putz around either. I'm doing the speed limit. I'm doing alright. Trailer's not swinging around or anything, so. But we are about 4.5 miles, still about 10 minutes away from the customer. And we did alright getting here. It's just getting to the truck stop afterwards. Now, the truck stop that I usually go to is a Pilot. After I drop my loads off, during the loads, I'll go to Chicopee, pay $13, park there for 24 hours. But after I drop the loads off, I usually go an hour out of my way. I'll actually go and go to that truck stop only because it's free to park and I got showers on my car and stuff. So, but like I said, we're only, I don't know, it says we're about 9 minutes. So we'll get there when we get there. We'll see how the roads are back there. This is the road that I told you I'm little nervous about. It doesn't look too bad. It is slushy. As you can tell, these are the side roads that I was talking about. This is where the DOT is not going to really worry about it too much. And they're not horrible. I just got to take my time back in here. And I had a truck that pulled out in front of me. Now, if you guys are watching this, with the conditions the way they are, please do not pull out in front of a semi-truck. It's not worth it. We're not going to be stopped in time, and if we slam on our brakes, we're going to slide and either hit you anyways, or we're going to end up crashing ourselves and injure, ourselves, and I don't think you guys want that on your conscience. These are heavy, heavy trucks. They will kill somebody. They will kill us if we slide and lose control and hit something. But like I said, these roads ain't too horrible. I mean, they're not great. They're iffy. I'm not sliding, so that's a plus. There's a stop sign coming up. I do want to start slowing down early. Just in case if there is black ice, I don't want to slide, you know what I mean? Now you can see, now the roads are getting worse. But that's part of driving trucks, I guess. Now back here, it's really bad. It's not horrible. Like I said, they're iffy. Now we are getting a break from the snow, and it's only supposed to last like 20 minutes. but we'll see. We'll see how the Weather Channel says, you know. Sometimes they lie. Alright guys, like you just saw, I got the customer. I am actually an hour early, and I was assigned to dock 25. So that's nice. I'm going to go ahead and get unloaded here, then head over to truck stop and see what my next mission is. I'll see you all guys on the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and share to your friends. Have a good day, you guys.